Good morning, everyone. So, after doing a chapter in Reader, today we are going to start with a chapter of your grammar book. It's the past continuous tense. Past continuous tense, as the name suggests, we should, I'm sure you remember what is continuous. As the word itself suggests, that continuous means the work is continuing. It's happening. It's continuing. Like other, whenever we talk of tense, we must consider the time because the tense, the word itself, tense means time. We must consider the time. At what time the action happened or happening, and at what time we are talking about it. That is very important to realize कि what time did the action actually happen or happening or will happen, and at what time are we talking about it, at what time do we mention it. So let's say we are talking today about something like what is happening right now. What's happening right now? I'm speaking, you are listening. है ना? I'm speaking and you're listening to me. So it is happening at this time and we are talking about it this time only. So this is called present continuous time. Let's say when action is happening at the time of speaking, हम उसी time we are talking about the action and the action is also happening at the same time, then it is present continuous tense. How do we realize that it is present continuous tense? If I say she is playing, they are working in their office, Rina is singing with her friends, we use the verb with ing. If you see play, work, sing, everywhere we are using ing with the verb and there is a helping verb before it like is or is. So when we know ing use with the verb, it is always continuous tense. And there is a helping verb before it. There should be a helping verb before it. It's not only ing that you have to take care of. You have to take care of the helping verb before it. I'll tell you something with the example. So ing hai plus there's a helping verb before it. Then only we'll call it continuous tense. अब हमारा helping verb, if it is of the present tense, we'll call it present continuous. If it is of the past tense, we'll call it past continuous. है ना? Now here we have is or is. These are always used in present tense and am, I am. So these are always used in present tense only. So these sentences are of present continuous tense. I hope you have understood. How do we realize present continuous? Is, are, am. Three helping verbs there and ing with the verb. If these two conditions are fulfilled, we call it present continuous sentence. है ना? So for this, अभी action हो रहा है and we are talking about it right now. Then we'll call it present continuous tense. But at the same time, if something happened before, like in the past, something the time is over of it and we are talking about it now, then we'll call it past continuous tense. इसमें helping verbs will be was and were. Was with singular and were with plural subjects. Now suppose if I say right now, what were you doing yesterday at 8 o'clock? At 8 o'clock, what was happening? So it will be past continuous tense. है ना? What were you doing last year on 5th March? So what were you doing at 5th March? What was happening will be talked about in the past continuous. Like you will say, I was playing. I was eating my dinner last night at 8 o'clock. है ना? was eating, because I is singular, so we'll say was eating. अगर आप talk of the whole family, then you can say we all were eating. We all were eating dinner at 8 o'clock. है ना? So these are past continuous sentences. Let's say, let's have some more examples. I'll tell you how we go on. He was thinking to go to a park. He was thinking. अभी नहीं सोच रहा. He was thinking somewhere in the past. Like he was thinking of going to a park when I talked to him. जब हमने बात करी, that time what was he thinking? He was thinking. What was he doing? He was thinking of going to a park. Mohan was enjoying with the family in the picnic. When Mohan went for picnic, what did he do there? What was he doing? He was enjoying. When I saw, जब हमने देखा, what was happening? Mohan was enjoying with his family in the picnic. Then we can see they were sitting to watch a movie. What were they doing? They were sitting to watch a movie. जब हमने उनको देखा, what was happening that time? That time they were sitting to watch a movie. है ना? Reena and Rita, two है ना? Two plural है, तो we say were going to their aunt's house. When I saw, जब हमने देखा, अरे what is this? Reena and Rita were going to their aunt's house. Now see, he singular है, so we use was. Mohan is only one name, so we use was. They is used for plural, so we have used were. Reena and Rita are again two names, so we have used were here. Children, this is though very easy for me and you to see, read, but please make it a habit to speak always in English, then you will very surely master this language, master these rules. These rules are not for learning, they are to be implemented, they are to be used, they are to be put into practice. And how will you put it into practice? Only when you speak a lot in English, when you write something. So next time, from now onwards, please start speaking in English. If you go wrong, ask your friends, your parents, your teachers to check you, and gradually you'll be very good in it. Okay? Bye bye.